Hey everybody, it's Charmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I do this gray platinum hair, so let's jump into it. I'm starting with pre-lightened hair. This is the 1B613 pre-lightened hair from Wiggins Hair, so it has the dark roots and the lightened hair. It's better to go with lightened hair. It's just going to save you a lot of time, and it's going to prevent any possible damaging by over processing the hair, trying to get it light. So I have 3 bundles in a closure, and then I'm going to first start by letting the hair sit in some purple shampoo. So the more popular brand is the Shimmer Lights, but I ended up going with this cheaper alternative at Walmart, but it's literally the same thing. It's just a purple shampoo. So I washed the hair in the shampoo and I let it sit for maybe 2 to 3 hours. And basically what the purple shampoo does is remove any of the yellow tones in the hair, and it'll allow the gray/platinum color to deposit a little better onto the hair. And you'll see in the next clip that the hair got pretty white. So the color that I'm going to be using, they're all colors by Color Brilliance, and I got the color Chrome, Lavender Moon, sorry my camera was having a hard time focusing, and the last color I got was Icy White. So I did a mixture of just the Chrome, and I mixed it with a little Icy White, and I did the Lavender Moon and mixed it with a little Icy White, and I'm using 30 volume developer. So I'm going to start with my closure, and this is the closure. Like I said, the hair got pretty white, and basically I'm just going to alternate and go back and forth between the Chrome and the Lavender Moon. So I'm starting with this first section, and I believe I started with the Chrome, and then you'll see me part through the hair, and in the next section I'm going to use the Lavender Moon. You can add foil in between each sections if you want the color to be like if you want to see a difference between the colors, but I wasn't really tripping off of that. I didn't really care if the colors mixed in too much, but as you can see, I'm just going to keep going section by section and switching between the 2 different colors. And then you just want to remember to flip the hair over just to make sure that you got all the different, make sure you just got all the hair coated. Now one thing you'll see me doing is taking it into the roots, and I do not recommend doing that. And I'll show you guys a little after why I don't recommend doing that. But now I'm just combing through the hair and just making sure that all the hair is coated. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here, and then I'm just going to go in with the rest of my bundles and just alternate in between the 2 colors. So I'm not doing any special techniques with applying the color. I'm just going in bundle by bundle and applying it. My main goal was to make sure that all the hair was coated, and by alternating between the 2 colors, it's going to give it some dimension. It doesn't have to be like super highlighted and or anything like that. I just wanted to make sure I use 2 different colors just to add a little dimension to the hair. And I am taking the hair dye all the way into the roots, and like I mentioned before, you do not want to do that with the pre-darkened roots. It totally slipped my mind that this is unprocessed hair. So as I took the hair dye into the dark roots, I didn't realize that it was actually processing them. So once I was finished applying the color and I rinsed everything out, My roots ended up being like brown and kind of blondish because they started to process. So again, you do not want to take the hair all the way to the roots with the pre-darkened hair. Honestly, I just recommend getting your bundles just all completely 613 instead of getting the dark roots and then going in and coloring the roots when you're done. So that's basically what I had to do afterwards. And coming up next, you'll see the hair, and the hair was really white and icy. This is how the hair came out at first, and you can see those roots. So I had to go in and recolor them with a black hair dye. And then I also went over the gray portions with this Adore rinse in the color Platinum. And this is the final result that I got, as you guys can see. And now I'm just going to install it and style it. And this is pretty much the final results. I am not much of a colorist. I honestly hate coloring hair because it's just very tedious, and yeah, my patience aren't really all the way there. But I will say I am proud of myself and how this hair color came out. So let me know what you guys think. This is one of my best friends, and she's been begging me to do this hair color for her for a long time, and it was her birthday, so I said, okay, I'll be nice and do it for you. But yeah, I did do a full installation video, but I don't know, the quality, not even the quality, but the footage was a little iffy. But if you guys do want to see the full installation video of this wig, please let me know and I will upload that for you guys. But like I said, this is the final result. I hope you all enjoyed this video and it was somewhat informative. If you did like it, don't forget to comment, give this a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.